Ever found a sentence online and wish you could make it more formal, casual, or even fun? But if you can rewrite it instantly with one tap, in this video, I will show you how to change text writing style directly inside Samsung Internet using Writing Assist. No need to copy into another app, it rewrites for you automatically. To do so, open any web page in Samsung Internet. Select the desired text. Tap Writing Assist on the small toolbar that appears. Tap Writing Style to generate rewritten version. Next, swipe left or right to view different tones like professional, casual, polite, and else. Or you can also tap the filter icon to view only the writing style you want. When you find the version you like, you can do some action like edit to adjust it, copy to copy the result to your clipboard, or share to send to other apps. And that's how easy it is to transform text inside Samsung Internet. It's super useful when writing emails, chatting, posting, or making text sound more natural. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.